Madras Prop family, welcome to Premium Photography Props episode 2. First is the Toddler Cage Prop. This prop is truly a statement piece and it stands out for its gold finish with lots of detailing. So whether you aim for a vintage inspired shoot or a regal theme, this prop can create stunning portraits for your newborn and sitters. Next is a premium mermaid shell prop. It's not only visually captivating, but it is also designed with stability and comfort in mind. So it has got a cozy little space for your little mermaids to sit. And you can pair this with some florals or shimmering accessories or even pearls to create that beautiful beach vibes. And the third is a premium aircraft prop, especially designed for boy babies. Has got a lot of detailing and you can make your aviation theme look so stunning. For more such interesting props, do check out Madras Prop Store or visit our store in Chennai. Thank you.